Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and I wanted to show you what I'm working on for animational ident again. And I'm just going to open up Premiere. Now this thought of my newest ident, which you all know is an animated logo according to film, and I started working on what will hopefully be a series of what an episodic ident will be. And what I've done is I've animated an eye. This is how far I've got a picture here from a royalty-free photo site, which is Pixels, spelled with an X, and they provide photos, but this is how it's coming on. And if you watch it slowly, you see an eye appear here, but if you look closely, there is a real eye in it. I'm trying to get it absolutely perfect to morph into a real eye that then blinks. But that will be the episodic one of the idents of the Vision is Influence idents. And you can definitely see the real eye. And I want to correct it or manipulate it or fade in or whatever I've used to be a perfect eye as a human eye as well, but then blink as the human eye using photo manipulation according to images that are animated as frame to frame. And I've exported it, that sequence that you just seen, to just double check it. And where is my folder? And this is what it looks like in large. Which, honestly, just that seems quite good, but it's not really absolutely perfect. But that's a demonstration of what I'm doing at the moment, and a slight promotion or advertisement as what you can learn off of me according to tutorials as well. Thank you for listening.